I did the mentor course, learning trading and the coding side of things. I thought I had an idea of what was going on until I did the course, and after speaking to Nick a number of times, I realised how little I knew and how much there is to learn. So I'd been looking at getting into trading for a while, and I'd gone through all different methods and approaches to trading. And what I found was Nick had a very measured approach. That just gave me a high level of confidence that Nick was someone that really suited me to be able to work with.
Our first month was on the downtrend, but that's okay. We know from Nick's experience that there's ups and downs in what we do.
I also have tried different other things along the way, but the Chartist, I just use the growth portfolio generally, and that's normally where I've done fairly well.
Well, I've been here, I think, with the Chartist for 19, 20 months now. In terms of signals, responsiveness, everything I've found really professional.
I like getting buy signals and sell signals and all that sort of stuff. But for me, it's also more about the process of how they determine it, so that you learn yourself and just sort of intuitively get it.
Whether it's got a system going on, it's always very good to have something to follow.
It doesn't need to be complex. It's difficult, but it doesn't need to be overly complex. You can build a simple system, and oftentimes simpler is better. I know a lot of people who've tried their hand at trading and they weren't passionate at it, and I don't know a single one that succeeded. But those who were passionate about it, I can't think of any who didn't end up finding success. It's just about managing risk, following the signals, and knowing that you will have losing days, even losing years, but it's a long-term focus that you need to have, and that's how you make money.
It's a long road sometimes, up and down, so you've got to have confidence to stay with the system. That's the secret to trading, I think.
I recommend it to my children, and I have recommended to do my friends.
Fills you with confidence knowing you're learning from Nick, who's just a veteran trader and has been trading for so long. And I really trust Nick. I mean, that's a big part of why I joined in the first place. He just seems like a real genuine sort of guy. And
Yeah, it's a never-ending path of learning. I think to get the insight from Nick directly, it's priceless.